It's me again, Margaret. It's that time for my daily recap. Today is Thursday at 11:13. We'll go ahead and get started on this thing. Right out of the gate, I got the 5-minute opening range trade video pulled up here. As you can see, we have got 12 seconds left in the candle, and I am still adjusting the bottom line just a little bit. The market is opening weak, so I'm automatically thinking we're going to drop to the downside. I'll go ahead and hit play. I think I need to shoot for more take profit because we ain't in these trades, I mean, just seconds. But I'll go ahead and hit play and let it play out. I'm adjusting my line down just a little bit. I am getting ready to place my order. We have 4 seconds left in the first 5-minute candle. I still believe we are going to drop to the bottom. I go ahead and place my order to the downside, and we're in the trade, and we're out of the trade. That fast. I think I definitely need to shoot for just a little more profit. I'll go ahead and pause that. There was just a little bit of slippage across the accounts, but the total was 785, so it averaged out to like 157 per account. I'm sorry. So another winning trade from the 5-minute ORB. But again, I think that's why the win rate is so high, because I am just shooting for, you know, like 6 or 7 points in profit. But we will go ahead and go over the numbers for today if I can find my button. Right here, that was that trade there where we just watched the video on. It copied across 5 accounts. It was anywhere from 180 to 150, and again the total was 785 on those. I mean, I can't complain about that 5-minute orb because it has played out well over the last 3.5 weeks. Again, tomorrow is the last day. I'm going to track that data, and I'm going to make some changes, and I'll try to make a video maybe Sunday or something just on the 5-minute ORB and go over everything. But other than that, again, on my TradingView accounts, I did lose a funded account today. I mean, the market was whipping around, the candles was big, and it didn't take much to really, you know, hurt you if you was in the wrong side of it. So I did lose one. I'm definitely going to have to buckle down and get some of my Apex PAs back and my take profit. I had some evals. Yeah, I squeezed them out this morning too. I do have a Take Profit Pro back. I passed yesterday an eval with them. It's starting out good. But other than that, I mean, all of them's high profit. My Lucid is the highest one. It's 1350, which is a good one. My other Lucid 600 and 730. That is awesome profit, I think. I mean, I know you see people posting all the time about all this money they're making. The best advice I can give somebody just starting out or somebody being new is do not compare yourself to anybody you see on the internet. I mean, this is your own journey. Do it at your own pace. If you make $20 a day, it don't matter. That is eventually going to grow. Unless you're like me and you keep making these mistakes right here and losing these accounts. Like I said, in my personal account, I don't shoot for high profits. I just want to be consistent. Because it don't matter, like today I made $148, you know, in my real account. I mean, it don't matter. That is going to grow over time. I don't care if I make $20 in it. As long as I am consistent and control my losers. I am extremely disciplined in my personal account. If I could just carry that over into all of my other accounts, I would be set. I wouldn't have to worry about nothing. But it don't work that way, it seems like. We'll go ahead and go over this spreadsheet. We only have one more day to trade tomorrow, and that will complete the 4 weeks that I have tracked this, and we'll see how it plays out. Again, yesterday I didn't make no video. I was being slack. You know how it goes. Today I'm making this video early. It's just now 12:30. I got some errands I got to run. I'm just getting this out of the way. But yesterday we did have a losing trade, which was aggravating because it no more than got us out, and then the bottom fell out of it and it went the way we thought it was going to go. So yesterday we lost 400 and it was 2,000 total loss. Today we averaged out at 157, a total of 785. So for the month so far, we got one more day left in this 4-week tracking thing that I'm doing, whatever you want to call it. So in one account we've made 2270, and in all 5 we've made 10,540. I mean, I've caught a lot of hate over this strategy, you know, because it's negative risk to reward. But you got to understand, it's a scalping strategy. I'm not looking to hold this trade long. I am looking for quick momentum bursts at key levels. So that is all I'm looking for. And I'm willing to take the risk of losing 400 and just gaining. Right now I got my take profit set. Like this trade hit it was 320. So that's almost 1-to-1. I'm fine with that. I am good with that because the win rate is so high. Now, if we got down to like 60% win rate, we would probably be even, you know, but right now I am good with it. We will go over this chart just a little bit. I want to go over something else. If I can find my mouse, I got too many screens, and my mouse, I can't keep up with where in the world it's at. And this right here is showed up on all my videos. It is not on my screen. It's something in the software. I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to get rid of that. But you can see it's on top of the mouse, that little line. That sucker's driving me nuts. This morning, this is my Twitter account, X, whatever, OnlyDayTrades. But I posted this morning. I put, looks like a head and shoulders pattern. Will it retrace to fill the gap? And I talked about this gap right here back first of the week when, you know, I said we would come back and fill it. I just didn't know if it was going to be the next day, the next week. So, and again, if you look at the 1 hour chart, that is a perfect head and shoulders. I mean, perfect, because you got a higher shoulder, a head, and a lower shoulder. And right now we was at, when I posted this, we was at key level of support all the way across through here. So, you know, if we break that, we're probably going to go down. And we'll go over this chart, and you can see right now, it's bounced a little bit, but you look over here, we definitely come down and filled the gap. I caught some good trades today on the momentum to the downside. You know, you wait for it to bounce up and look to short it. But yeah, I mean, it worked out. And again, that is a picture perfect head and shoulders pattern, if you've ever wondered. We'll go down here and go over this main chart real fast. Again, this morning, the 5 minute opening range is the purple, pink, fuchsia, whatever color you want to call it. We broke through the bottom, and I mean, it dropped. You can see we just kept it going down. It bounced back up. We failed again. And I had drew a trend line here. We broke through it. It kept it going. And this right here, this area of support or area of interest, whatever you want to call it, it kind of gave it just a little bit of trouble for a minute, but we failed it. And then we went down and filled the gap. And now we're down here at the bottom, and this right here, I don't like this stuff. That's why I decided to make this video, because you cannot trade this mess. Let me rephrase that. I can't trade this mess. When it's wicking up and down, you know, 30, 40 points each candle, you can't trade that. I mean, I don't know if anybody can trade that mess unless you're swing trading. You know, buy it and try to hold it, hoping it's going to go back up. If y'all don't care, hit that like and subscribe button. Again, it just helps support the channel. It's free to hit it. Don't cost nothing. Anything that I ever do will never cost nothing on nothing. I mean, I'm not smart enough to charge somebody to give them advice. So, hey, thank you all for watching, and I will catch you tomorrow.